Hello, I am Sunil Sharma. I'll be talking about e-business, e-banking, and finance. Let's do a quick recap and overview about the topic e-banking. With the development of internet-based technologies, many businesses has transformed to e-businesses and started conducting their businesses online. This helped them to expand to new markets, improve customer services, reduce costs, and enhance productivity. Like other companies, banks also expanded their use of e-business technologies in the business operations. However, for banks and financial institutions, this new change to e-business presents altogether new changes and challenges as well as opportunities. We will discuss in short while what are these challenges and how banking and financial industry overcome these. Also, we will learn whether banks basically mirror their traditional role in commerce into a new digital platform and digital commerce, or they offer new financial products that will change the entire nature of the banking itself. What risks are involved in such a shift from traditional banking to e-banking? So first, let's see what are the features of e-banking. Electronic banking allows customers of banks to do their banking at any time online, regardless of the bank's operating hours. If customers choose to do such things as transfer funds or pay bills, they can do so from anywhere where internet access is available. Online banking offers bank statements, electronic bill payment, funds transfer between a customer's bank account, processing of loan applications and transactions, and also purchasing or sales of investment, or even paying your grocery bills. When funds are transferred between accounts by electronic medium online, it is called electronic fund transfer, EFT. So various governments have established payment gateways, protocols, and secured infrastructure to facilitate countrywide and global electronic fund transfers. There are a number of studies that identify consumer preferences when it comes to using different delivery channels when interacting with their banks. According to a EY Global Consumer Banking Survey, the internet is the most preferred banking method for customers globally for paying bills or making transfers or for balance inquiry or deposits or e-commerce sales and purchase. Let's now check what are the applications in e-banking and finance. Electronic billing, popularly known as e-billing, is simply the process of paying and receiving bills online. Bills or invoices are generated digitally by computers and software applications. E-billing is not only the generation of e-bills but also the entire system that allows these bills to be paid electronically. An e-bill is usually generated by an accounting or financial software solution and then sent to the payer by email or a web-based portal. This e-billing and e-payment portal usually allows the payer to access previous copies of their e-bills and manage or update information. Identity verification. Banks customers now interact with bank across all channels, physical, online, social, and mobile channels. Banks urgently need new capabilities that will enable seamless, holistic, and robust identity recognition. This should be available 24 by 7 over all geographies and across all channels. Now, this is driving the adoption of unique identification of their customers. Data mining for better products and marketing. Consumers are becoming more demanding and expect instant services and increased mobility. With data mining, a bank can understand customer loyalty as well as growing demand of consumer today their day-to-day banking with even non-banking transactions. Banks need to implement a smooth and convenient user experience in order to maintain the customer relationship and secure customer loyalty. Mobile payments. Now bank have to offer mobile banking financial services. Bank has to create a mobile financial service or MFS. This is another broad term that refers to a range of financial services that can be offered across the mobile phone. Three of the leading forms of MFS are mobile money transfer, mobile payments, and mobile banking. Digital only bank. Digital only banking is complete banking services delivered over internet. Digitization of traditional banking activities and programs in complete sense. In technical terms, it is full digital transformation of front end, back end, data collection, and everything that bank has to offer. Now let's see what are the challenges at e-banking. Security and fraud instances. This is one of the most significant challenge for banks promoting online banking. In traditional banking, robbers had to break into the bank to steal money, whereas in online banking, hackers can operate remotely, break into customers' details, and illegally transfer money. In recent years, millions of funds were stolen from online bank accounts through online fraud and hacking. The extension of e-commerce provides a chance for fraudsters to misuse payment networks and steal sensitive information. Major banks have started using anomaly detection, an artificial intelligence based technique for identifying deviations from a normal transaction. This can be used to automate fraud detection and implement cybersecurity and anti money laundering processes. Check out this article to learn more about use of machine learning in fraud detection. The implementation of cross-border transaction plays a very important role in the global trade and is one of the remarkable success factor of online banking. Historically, cross-border payments have been slow, incompetent, and expensive because most of the banks still use traditional infrastructure including national payment protocols. So old technologies results in non-uniform development and software platforms that confuse the cross-border transactions. To overcome these challenges, new technologies including blockchain are being experimented to enable transactions. This brings us to the end of session, the e-business, e-banking and finance. Let's quickly summarize what we have learned in this session. We talked about e-business technologies in e-banking, where we discussed how banks are changing with e-business. We covered what are the e-banking features. We also talked about some of the new development in the area of applications in e-banking and finance. And finally, we discussed about what are the challenges at e-banking. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'm looking forward to meet you in further episodes on e-business. Till then, bye bye, hasta la vista, alaho, adios, ciao, jijen, namaste.